Guys, here I am with more questions on the fundamental theory aspect. The Section 464 of the Companies Act 2013 empowers the central government to prescribe the maximum number of partners in a firm could be 100. You must remember in the last video we discussed about the maximum number of the partners in a firm could be 50 only, but under the special power entrusted to central government then they can only prescribe the 100 partners. Which type of individual cannot be admitted as a partner? The partners who are of unsound mind, insane, or lunatic. That means who are under the influence of some kind of drugs over there, or who are not in their proper conscious are not allowed. Second is a person who is disqualified by law. The law says that he cannot be entered into the partnership firm. That person is also not eligible to be as a partner. That is insolvent person. Who is insolvent person? Whose personal assets are less than his personal liabilities. As per the Partnership Act 1932, Dash can be exempted from sharing losses, that is a minor. Minor is admitted for the profits into the business. Under the provision of Dash Act, the partnership deed should be properly drafted and preferably registered with the Dash. So, provisions of Stamp Act, and it should be properly registered with the registrar of the firm. Mind you, earlier we have discussed in the theory that registration of the partnership firm is not compulsory. It is the wish of the partners to get it registered or not. But if they want to get it registered, then with whom they are going to get it registered? That is registrar of the firm. No partnership can be formed with a minor. Now the point over here is that if to start a business there is one major person and one minor person, can that partnership business come into existence? The answer is no. So to form a partnership business there should be firstly two major, and after that a minor can be admitted to the partnership firm. Can two business firm form a partnership business? No. Only the individuals can form a partnership firm. Is it compulsory for all partners to contribute towards the capital? It's not necessary at all. Some might give only time to the business, some might be there in the business to give their name or technical know how also. A partnership firm has a separate legal entity. This is also not possible because the partners have unlimited liability because the partner and the firm are treated as single entity. Thank you Accountitude. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos to come up on the theory topics as well as practical.